Good morning and happy Sunday from Dublin. As you can see, the streets look empty, probably because everyone's gone to church or Sunday mass or whatever they do here. So anyway, I'm gonna go get some coffee and see what's good and see what you can actually do in Dublin on a Sunday. Alright, so I'm back on the road or on the pavement again. So I've just drank coffee, so I'm feeling a lot more human and a lot more like I want to talk about things now. So as you can see, being a Sunday, Dublin's practically empty at the moment. But I'm just going to take a walk around and show you guys how the place looks. And, you know, being from the UK, I've always had this question that, you know, is Ireland just like England or does it have its own unique character? That's what I want to know. I mean, geographically, Dublin is actually further from London than what Brussels is. Weirdly enough, even though we share such, you know, like language, culture, rest of it, Dublin's actually further away than what Brussels is, and I think even Paris, weirdly enough. So it's quite interesting. When you look on the map and you look in the straight line, it's further away. So yeah. So just been in this department store, Dunn's, which seems to be like the Irish version of Marks and Spencer's or Waitrose. And yeah, just like Waitrose is, I wouldn't say a bit expensive, I'd say very expensive. And the products I actually bought, I bought 3 things, and deliberately they were Irish made because I wanted to try something from here that's local. A lot of the stuff is actually from the UK, but I wanted to try something actually from here. But those 3 things I bought, like you'll see the price, you know, over €5 just for 3 items. So yeah, Ireland's not exactly a cheap place to visit, but it's a nice place so far. So what's behind me is the spire of Dublin, if you can see that. And this was constructed to replace Nelson's Pillar, which was bombed by the IRA in 1966 during the time of the Troubles. And this is O'Connell Street, which is one of the busiest streets in Dublin, and it's basically like the equivalent of Oxford Street in London. So where we're heading now is south of the river to another part of Dublin called Temple Bar, and this is where most of the nightlife goes on. You've probably already heard of it. I'm nearly back in the hostel now, and I must say, just walking through the streets of like Dublin, especially down little back streets, it definitely feels like a different country. As I said, like my main reason for coming to Ireland was just to know if it was just the same as England or not, and I can safely say it really isn't.